Hi, I'm John Rowland with Highland Park, and we're going to give you a quick little tour of what we're building right now in the factory. We're busy. Behind me is PTs, and we got a couple of 45-inch saws, and behind that there's some Model 12s going together. And then over here we got some stainless steel 18-inch saws about ready to go together. Just got our sheet metal in. We got carriages for 18s and 20s here, some V1M flat lap plates. We're setting up a job right now. We're about finished up with these carriages for 18s and 20s. And then we got some HT12s. We did a few design changes on it, made it more modular and it's stronger and more accurate. Forming machines, stage to get ready to build. Back in the corner here, we've got V1Ms. We just got our motors in, so those are ready to put together. That's what we're doing this weekend.
Hey, thanks for watching today. If you like what you see, click the like button. Subscribe if you want to get more videos like this. And down below in the description, you'll find a link that goes to our website. It goes to also what we showed you today, more information about that. And leave comments. If there's things that you like, if there's things that you want us to do more on, if there's videos that you want us to shoot that we haven't shot, we're very open to that. We're really looking for ways to help you be successful in your endeavors with the tools and technologies that we create, as well as any other aspect of the hobby.